Okay, so we are American high school students, and we are going to be telling you guys about how our school system works.
So this is the schedule at our school. We have 4 quarters that make up the school year, and we have 4 classes that we take each day, and those are called blocks. And one block is an hour and a half. And blocks can also be split up into skinnies, which can be kind of confusing, but basically it means that you have 5 classes each day instead of 4.
In this picture are the required number of credits we need to take before graduation. Every year we need to take 16 credits, and one block equals 1 credit. And before graduation we need to have 61 total credits. Once you have finished your required classes, you can take what we call electives, which are classes that you can choose for fun, basically. Some options in these electives are like language classes or like mythology. And you can take college credits in school, which when you go to college will be free credits then.
If you are in year 12 and you are taking college in the school classes in high school, then you can take a free block, which is the same length as a normal class, but you get to spend the time studying or doing whatever you want to do. A lot of students like to take naps during this block instead of actually doing work, which is kind of funny. If you are a year 11 or year 12 student, you can take an internship also. An internship is where you choose a teacher and then you go to that teacher every day for the same length of time as a class, and you do work that the teacher assigns to you. It's just tasks that the teacher would usually do themselves, but since you are their intern, you get to do the tasks instead. Mentorship is another option for year 12 students. In mentorship, students decide what career or what job they want to do when they're older, and then the teachers pair them up with an adult who has that job, and the student follows that person around so that way they can learn what they do in that job and what is required. The school day starts at 8:10 and ends at 2:50. We eat lunch at school, and we can't leave during the school day unless if your parent says that you can, and they call the office or they come and sign a piece of paper that says that you can leave.
Each student receives their own lockers. You can store basically anything that fits inside the locker. At our school, quite a few people don't even use their lockers. Well, they don't have no idea even where it is. Because we can bring our backpacks with us to like every one of our classes. As you can see, there are some posters on some of the lockers. They are put up by like sports teams, or like if you're in a club, the club will put up some posters on your lockers.
Okay, so in between classes, teachers have their own classrooms, which means that the students are the ones who switch classes, and we have 10 minutes to switch to our next class, and friends often like to talk to each other during this time.
The end!